Emergency Operation PAD Radio Remote Control. The emergency operation of the PAD control is used to bring the hook lift back into the transport position in the case of a malfunction. Respectively, unload the container off the vehicle. The basic requirement for this is that the hydraulic and electrical supply is available. Activate the radio system by unlocking the emergency stop button and pressing the start button. Activate emergency operation by pressing the shift key and simultaneously pressing the start key 10 times. The display now shows the code 680.000. Attention! The control system now has no device protection. The emergency operation mode switches off automatically after 1 minute after the last deflection of a function, or by pressing an emergency stop button.